Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this Horizon Glo Fiber review, including plans and services, are down in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using their services. Horizon, also known as Glo Fiber, is a fast-growing internet service provider specializing in fiber optic internet for homes and businesses. Their main focus is providing fast and dependable internet service across Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia. Horizon's plans are specifically designed for those who need high-speed, low-latency internet, making them perfect for heavy internet users, gamers, streamers, and those working remotely. A key feature of Horizon is their 100% fiber optic network, delivering symmetrical speeds from 300 megabits per second up to 1 gigabit per second. This symmetrical speed structure means your download and upload speeds are the same, which is ideal for video conferencing, cloud backups, and uploading large files. This makes Horizon a compelling choice for content creators, students, and professionals who require consistently high performance. Furthermore, their unlimited data policy means no speed throttling or overage charges. You can use the internet as much as you need without worrying about unexpected costs. Another attractive aspect of Horizon is their transparent pricing. They offer no contract plans and no hidden fees, giving you the flexibility to change plans or switch providers without penalty. Installation is often free, and high-quality Wi-Fi equipment is included with most plans, ensuring excellent coverage throughout your home. For larger homes, they also offer optional mesh Wi-Fi systems to eliminate dead zones and ensure consistent coverage. Horizon's customer service is also worth noting. They have local support teams and provide 24/7 assistance via phone and chat. Customers frequently commend their responsiveness and technical expertise, which makes troubleshooting and service inquiries quick and efficient. However, Horizon's service area is still somewhat limited, so it might not be available everywhere. While their prices are competitive, users currently relying on slower DSL providers might find Horizon speeds a significant upgrade, albeit at a higher price point than traditional broadband. In conclusion, Horizon Glo Fiber offers high-speed, reliable, and competitively priced fiber optic internet with a customer-centric approach. If they service your area, Horizon is definitely worth considering. Check the links in the description to see their plans and availability in your area.